Four people have died and one person has been injured due to the deadly thunderstorm in the Delhi NCR region. You're watching NDTV 24/7. I'm Divya Vadva. It's been a crazy, chaotic and a morning that has resulted in tragedy. It's been raining heavily in the national capital region. The intensity has reduced considerably, but from 5 o'clock in the morning for about 2 hours, it rained heavily. Very gusty winds led to a thunderstorm. It has been lightning as well as a lot of thunder has been reported from various parts of the Delhi NCR region. A tree fell on a tube well room that was built on the farm area in Dwarka. That has claimed 4 lives. One person has been injured in that incident that has occurred due to strong winds and that dust storm, that thunderstorm that followed by heavy rains causing chaos and mayhem and massive disruption in the Delhi NCR region. A lot of trees have been uprooted. Over 100 flights have been delayed. Flight operations have been severely impacted at the Delhi International Airport. The average delay that has been reported is to the tune of about 46 minutes for arrivals and 54 minutes for departures. The Delhi Airport has assured efforts by the ground staff to ensure a seamless experience, while multiple airlines are urging passengers to check the latest status of their flights before heading to the airport. So alerts are being issued by the airline operators to the passengers to make sure that they first check before leaving for the airport, because a lot of flights have been diverted as well. Flights that had to land at the international airport. We have Ishika joining us from ITO, and we also have with us Anushka joining us from the international airport. Anushka, over to you first. Get us a sense of the chaos that we are seeing at the international airport. From what we are hearing is at least 100 flights have been delayed, and this is on account of how many flights have actually been diverted, the ones that had to arrive. And take us through the kind of delays that we are seeing as far as the flights are concerned.
That's right. What we are understanding from the situation here is that more than 100 flights have been delayed at departure between 5 a.m. to 8 a.m. We are right now at the international airport, the flyover that connects to Terminal 3. We will show you the visuals from here first. We can clearly see the waterlogging situation that can be seen, and because of that, the traffic situation that can be seen here at the flyover that joins, T3. Terminal 3, we do know from by now that several of the flights have been delayed. Air India, SpiceJet, Indigo, every of the airlines have in fact alerted the passengers that they should stay in touch and be updated about the flight timings. Heavy rain, strong winds and waterlogging has disrupted the daily life in Delhi. Flight operations have been hit. IMD has issued a severe weather alert. It has, hit several parts of Delhi early today morning, leading to waterlogging and traffic disruption across the country. According to officials, flight operations at Delhi have been affected due to adverse weather conditions. We do know by now that more than 100 flights have been delayed. More than 40 flights have been diverted at, the airport. Outside of the airport also, we are showing you the visuals of the flyover that connects to T3. This is the kind of situation that can be seen here, at the flyover. Heavy waterlogging can be seen, because of which traffic jam-like situation can be seen. Not just this, but we also know that in Kanpur, in ITO, waterlogging situation can be seen. We did see the visuals wherein it can clearly be seen that people are struggling through knee-deep water, while other areas reported strong winds accompanying the downpour. We do know several trees have been uprooted. 4 people have lost their lives in this, the weather situation, the severe weather situation that can be seen today. 4 people are dead. Nearly 100 flights have been delayed. 40 flights have been diverted as heavy rain has lashed Delhi NCR. Orange alert has been issued for Delhi and for NCR today, and not just today, but the IMD, the weather body, has said that this kind of weather will be prevailing throughout the weekend. So people who are, planning to go outside of their house might want to stay updated for the regular, situation. And also people who are planning to, to go to airport should keep in touch with the airlines and get the recent updates, because what we are learning right now is that more than 100 flights have been delayed and more than 40 flights have been diverted at the IGI airport. We are showing the visuals from outside of the airport, also the kind of waterlogging situation that can be seen here, leading to a bottleneck traffic situation. Several of the cars we can see slow traffic signals can be seen here, not just here but at several other areas as well. We do know that this is a time of peak hour, and at this time many people leave their house to go to their offices, and because of the current situation there can be traffic snarls that can be seen at several areas in Delhi NCR. The power outage can be seen in several areas at Noida, at Delhi, but we are also seeing that because of the downpour, because of the severe weather conditions, 4 people have lost their lives and many of the flight operations have been delayed. Power outages can be seen, trees have been uprooted. So this is this kind of situation that can be seen inside of Delhi NCR today early in the morning. Over to you.
Right, 4 lives have been lost. Thank you so much, Anushka, for joining us from outside the international airport here in the national capital. We also have Ishika joining us from ITO, a very congested, a very busy area of the national capital, to get us a sense of what it's like on the ground at this point in time. Of course, we do know that the worst might be over, but the Met Office, like Anushka was pointing out, that this weather system will continue to impact Delhi for the next 3 to 4 days. That might vary in intensity. And when we talk about the new government in the national capital, we do know Rekha Gupta, the Chief Minister, had inspected the Minto Bridge just 2 weeks ago. She had gone on to identify areas where waterlogging can be an issue every time it rains, particularly during the monsoon season. And the aim is to make Delhi free from waterlogging and the situations that occur every time it rains. So take us through the impact that we are feeling from this particular weather system and the measures that the new government has in store.
Well, Divya, as you rightly mentioned, today the heavy rainfall that we saw since morning 5:30 certainly wreaked mayhem, in the city. We are currently present at the ITO, which is, one busy street, especially for the traffic that comes from, Noida to Delhi and goes from Delhi to Noida. And let me show you the visuals that we are currently getting. You will see that this busy street is in fact completely waterlogged. We are showing you the visuals. You can see even the visuals will show you how this street is completely waterlogged. You can see the vehicles coming. It's certainly causing a lot of inconvenience for the people to cross this particular area and to go for their daily lives, especially since it is the traffic hour. This is the peak traffic hour that we are seeing currently. If we talk about what are the measures that the Delhi government is taking, well, we have certainly seen that the meetings, if we talk about the on-ground inspection, has been going on by the Chief Minister and by the PWD Minister Parvesh Verma as well. But today, this particular rainfall has certainly raised an alarm over all the preparation that was done so far by the government. And today you can see the situation currently, and this is the picture that you'll be getting from different parts of the city today. But today we also saw that, the PWD Minister Parvesh Verma was on the ground. He was inspecting the area. He also went to the Minto Bridge, and he says that in fact the pumps there were working all right, but a pipe had burst, and the directions were then given to the authorities to mend it and to clear the waterlogging. That is why, the Minto Bridge there, the waterlogging has been cleared. But at the ITO, we continue to show you these visuals that the situation here is not good at this point of time, especially when the rain has already stopped. Now, if we talk about the Chief Minister is currently inspecting Majnu Katila, after which she will be coming here to inspect. So certainly a lot of changes now needs to be done by the government, especially when the IMD has already issued an alert that this situation is going to be there for 2 to 3 days in the national capital. Over to you.